Corona infections continue to rise steeply in Great Britain. Health Minister Sajid Javid does not want any further restrictions for England, though. He relies on vaccinations, like Prime Minister Boris Johnson. And regardless of the increasing number of infections, the British government does not want to impose any new corona restrictions for the time being. The country must try to live with COVID-19, wrote Health Minister Sajid Javid in an article for the Daily Mail newspaper on Saturday. There will only be new restrictions as an absolute last resort. Great Britain is currently confronted with ever new record numbers of new corona infections. This is mainly due to the Omicron variant of the virus. 189,000 new infections were reported within 24 hours on Friday. The number of hospital admissions for COVID-19 has also been rising again for some time. In the intensive care units, however, the number of patients is stable, wrote Javid. It is still a long way from the numbers that existed around a year ago. This is also due to the massive vaccination campaign in the kingdom, he says. The country is now, in his opinion, in a much stronger position. Unlike the governments of Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, the British government, which is responsible for health policy in England only, did not tighten the corona measures over the holidays. Instead, Prime Minister Boris Johnson is counting on increasing the vaccination rate. In his New Year's Eve message, he called on people to make vaccination their New Year's resolution. It's much easier than losing weight or keeping a diary. Well, in that case, I have to agree with Johnson, which rarely happens. But yeah, it's harder. In Scotland, families are being urged to get young people aged 12 to 15 their second dose of the COVID vaccine as early as possible in the new year. Drop-in sessions will be available for this age group since January 3rd, while those who have already been given a date for their second jab can call a helpline to bring their appointment forward and get protection from the virus earlier. Following JCVI advice, this age group can get their second vaccination from 12 weeks after their first dose. NHS Inform and local health board websites do provide further details of where drop-in sessions are available in each area. And Health Secretary Hamza Youssef said about this, additional vaccination capacity across Scotland means we are now in a position to offer second doses to the 12 to 15 age group earlier than previously planned. Eligible young people can get their second doses from next week, which is this week, and before they return to school in many cases. I would urge them to take up the offer as early as they can to receive greater protection from the virus. The festive season saw a major effort to get adults boosted by the bells, but we need to keep up momentum and make sure everyone is protected from the virus, particularly with the emergence of the new Omicron variant, which is spreading rapidly everywhere right now. Anyone under the age of 18 who has previously tested positive for COVID must wait 12 weeks from infection to be given their second dose. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.